Engine number 9 on the New York Transit line. If my train goes off the track, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Hey, Wall Street peep. Sicko in crypto. Today, we learn about Sushi Swap. Sushi Swap is a cryptocurrency exchange where you can swap different tokens, cryptocurrencies. This is an AMM or automated market making decentralized exchange. This is presently running on the Ethereum blockchain, and it is also a documentation site project that is run by a community and by their votes. Ladies and gentlemen, this is huge news. I have bigger news than this, obviously. This is just a description of what Sushi Swap is. That's excellent. This right here, the Decentraland is taking over the cryptocurrency world. It is the future. What is really happening is that Sushi Swap you can now buy on Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the most newbie, I would say, platforms you could get. So if you really want to get involved in cryptocurrency, you've been sitting on the sidelines, and you know me, you can ask for the link. I'll send it to you. Sushi Swap is a good one to get started in. Why do I like Sushi Swap? This is one of the things I want to show people because this is what we talk about, and these are the things that people need to understand. All right, I bought it at 1975 earlier today. If you look at this, it's a real quick heads up of what it is. See, it tells you that Ethereum token powers the Sushi Swap. We just went over what it was, and 80% of the market is buying it right now. They're going crazy. Coinbase is now on here. You can go get Coinbase. It's very simple, as I told you. If you don't have Coinbase and you don't have TradingView and you want to get involved, that's the 1-2 punch you can get for the starter kit. I'm serious. Go buy a nice TV or get something that has the internet on Wi-Fi, and you'll be able to do this stuff. Right now, for my people waiting, the educated, the experienced, okay, not educated, just the experience. Let's go with that word. It sounds a little more intriguing here. We have a market cap of 2.5 billion with a volume of 338 million. The circulating supply is only 127 million. You can only get 127 million of these going through, right? The market cap is at that price. That is the most you can have, 2.5 billion, all right? The circulating right now, this is what's going through. This is what's trading, buying, going through to the market. This price is going to rise the volume, which will increase of how much is going on into the market. It's long story short of it all, right now, for the price to go up, we need this to keep going. And what's going to happen with Coinbase? With Coinbase being an option, I have another access to just initially get involved and to see Sushi Swap. It's going to be big. And the fact that you can understand what it does here in the video alone is just, it's mind-blowing. So Sushi Swap, here we are. It's a wonderful thing. You can get it on Coinbase. For some others, you want to buy Cardano. We can't get it on Coinbase yet, then you go to Binance US. You want to get BNB, that's part of this Binance. I think it's going to go through the roof one day. It will be trading in the thousands. It's a little older coin to hold. You got to hold it for a while. I know all of us want to get rich quick and get the Lambo. I understand. You got to be careful. This market has some volatility that could kick your butt, and you might not be able to handle it. This market's not for everyone. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is a fun, entertaining video that we like to play out, and people are making gains. So this is where you can go. So we'll get rid of it. Binance US, as I've been telling people. Right, that was the intel of what we were doing. You should buy Swap. You should get a little bit of Sushi Swap for real. It's something excellent. Now, yesterday's news: how 2 million NFT drop changed artist Ben Murrow's life. The film and game veteran says NFTs have given digital artists an opportunity to make a living off of their personal work. I mean, it's amazing. The guy made 2 million. I know this all sounds fake. I know this doesn't sound like real life. I totally understand. Another one, March 18th, happened to be today's date. He sold the digital CryptoPunk for 7.5 million. Where are you, Dylan? Really, you're driving me crazy right now. Really? What am I doing with my life right now? Wall Street Pete, sick though in crypto. Hit that like, subscribe button. Come on, baby. We go into 1,000 subscribers, and guess what happens when we reach 1,000? We raffle off a PlayStation, brand new 5. We're going to raffle it off as soon as you can share this, like it, and send it to as many people as you can. So make sure you smash that like button and subscribe and hit that bell notification so when we go live, you're part of it. Cryptocurrency prices surge as global market cap nears 2 trillion. Woo! Wow! That was news to my ears, okay? As I say, we do a lot of things live here. I didn't go down that far. I stopped about here. You can start staking your pesos. They're available on Coinbase today. It's the XTZ if you're interested. It's not a bad coin. I did some research on it myself, but there's only so much you could do, right? We don't have $10 trillion that we could just put everything in. Go to here, click on your Bitcoin, go into Enjin. So, I do expect Enjin, as everyone has been waiting for the moment. $3.15. By now, I will definitely have taken my profits. I will dollar cost average out on the way up. If we are, listen, obviously, I'm not Nostradamus. I'm not 100% sure right at this moment by looking at my indicators if we are flying to the moon or not at this moment. We are going to go high, and I do have a special Enjin prediction coming very, very shortly. So hang on tight. Uh, we're going up here, and we will see this $3 mark if we break through. Now, what we need to break through to see this $3, pay attention now, $2.78. So if you see $2.78, get excited. We should see the $3.15 mark without a problem. After that, I can't tell you much more. You're going to have to dollar cost average in and out, okay? As I said, I will update you for the rest. Hang tight, right? We can't get all the way there in one moment. We need some time. Harmony, one of my favorites, as I bought so much more Harmony today, this morning. So look, this is where we're at. I bought at 5 cents initially, March. When I told everyone to get involved, we got excited. We learned a little more research about it. 77 cents, I said we would not fall. Well, we tested that a lot. Obviously, back here, a while back, we did. But if you've noticed, we've been 77 cents to the fence. We've been just money all day on that. So, I expect $10 easily coming. What we have to watch out for is the price of 9.5 cents. If we can break through 9.5 cents, we would be golden, right? Well, there we are. So now, what we have to do is maintain this 9.5 cents. It now turns into a support. Okay? The support for Harmony, 1. You need to have this here. It's not a coincidence that we may bounce off this hourly candle for a while. And we may bounce it for a little bit before entering past the 10 mark. I expect to see at least something along these lines of when I looked at it, you don't even want to know how high I really thought we were going to go. But I will say right now, with my technical analysis, I would start selling out in the 12 cents area. We can see higher growth. We have to pay attention to what Enjin's doing. Okay, Enjin is the money maker shaker of it all. What else did we going to talk about? We were going to talk about. We did Enjin. We did one. Cardano. We got the big spike, right? We got that beautiful, look at this. This hoop, it came in a different way. I love it how it comes. We do have a nice little curve forming up here. Look at my direction of movement index chart right here on the bottom. I do have my buying power down on the bottom, which is basically showing you why we dipped so low here on the hourly chart. If I change it to the 15-minute, I get a little quicker information. It gives me a little more updated faster. Dip in here on the 15 minutes. We have a minute and 40 seconds. If you want to hang out for a minute and 40 seconds and check out what Cardano's doing here, I don't expect a whole lot except for maybe this cup and handle that would start forming. So this is what I would look for Cardano if I were to tell you, because I seen this forming and I got excited and I bought more. But when I started looking a little more, if you see in the short term, that blue power is falling. So we're going to continue falling just a tiny bit more. So put that into consideration, right? That's not a big deal. It's not the end of the world. Cardano's network, Cardano's everything is nothing but a wonderful friggin' project that they have coming here. We're going to explode eventually. Expect the end of April. I don't have numbers, but if I were to give you a little bit of a technical analysis for some numbers, expect the $1.45 to be the magic number. I mean, let's be real. $1.44, $1.45, you're expected to see. We're a ways from it, but when we start breaking that price and we come through, and we're at a dollar, let's say right here, $1.46, and we hit $1.47. Buy Cardano. Show me a new buy, a new high, and I'll show you a new buy. That's pretty simple. Bitcoin, as I thought, we may see 55,000. So don't get stressed, but right about the 55,000, we could come fall down to. I expect a possibility. If not, it's off to the moon. So pay attention to that price right here. Here's your 55,000. It's our old support line that's already here. Bitcoin may test this again. It may scare you out, but I don't really think that's possible. With JP Morgan telling everybody to get at least a percentage into their portfolio, that news has now shown what Bitcoin is doing. So, like I said, I hope you enjoyed my video. Wall Street Pete. Sicto in crypto. Hit that like, subscribe button, share it to a friend, share it to a family member, get in pie, check my previous videos, and let's make some money, honey. Take care, everybody. Wall Street Pete.